Welcome back everyone, I am Danilo Romolini and today we are in Umbria. Specifically, we are just a stone throw to the beautiful town of Todi, which you can see from the property. And we are about to visit together a true gem of a home. You can see it right behind me. It is a very elegant home that has been fully restored in 2022 with the highest level of energy efficiency standards and finishes. Let's begin the tour. Come with me. Right behind me you can notice the town of Todi, which is just 10-minute drive from this beautiful home. There you will be able to find a traditional Italian town with its quaint restaurants, supermarkets and beautiful church. We also are just 35 minutes to the city of Perugia with its airport that is connected internationally, and just under 2 hours to Rome with its international airport and many services. The villa is positioned at the center of its 6,500 square meters plot of beautiful garden. It is completely fenced and also has an additional plot attached, ideal for planting additional trees or perhaps an orchard. Right now we are by the incredible 12 by 6 meters swimming pool, completely surrounded by these light colored terracotta tiles. This color is traditional of Umbria, while in Tuscany you will find a more reddish and darker color. The swimming pool is filtered and it has a double filtration system, so if one of the pumps ceases working, you always have a second one. As you can see right behind me, we also have 2 guest houses, which we will see now. The first guest house is 35 square meters and right now it's not used. It's mostly used as a storage. However, inside you will find a spacious room, which is the bedroom, with its ensuite bathroom. This is ideal for the family or as well for friends that come and visit you. Over here we have the second guest house, which is as well 35 square meters, just like the other one, and the home is fully restored. Let's go and see it inside. Welcome in the guest house. It is full of natural light. We have a large window right in front of me, which is sliding and high energy performing. There is also a mosquito net, which in the summer is great to have. Right here, as I mentioned, it's 35 square meters with the bed on this side, and this brick wall separates to the bathroom. In fact, on this side of the bathroom we have the sink and this large shower, while behind the wall we will find the toilet in the end down there, and also a space that can be used as a walk-in closet. On the back of the villa and the guest houses we find this spacious area, which is actually very useful. It has 2 sheds on the upper part, excellent to keep the tools for maintaining the garden, while this is the second guest house. On the back of it, a section has been cut out to make another room usable as a storage. While on this large terrace, which is completely graveled, you can either leave it as it is. There are some plants of rosemary that have been just planted and they're waiting to grow and be lush. On this side, you could as well create a nice pergola. Over here, one pergola has been already created with this beautiful channel that can see on both sides, and it is wisteria, so when it blossoms there are some beautiful purple flowers. This table is excellent, is right beside the kitchen that I will show you in the main house, and it is ideal for a beautiful romantic evening dinner. The property by the gate entrance also has a 2-car carport made out of wood and brand new. On top of it, we have photovoltaic system, which is up to 14 kilowatts and also has an accumulation system. Here we are inside the main villa. As you can see, it's done really in an exquisite way, blending traditional features like these handmade terracotta tiles on the floors and more modern characteristics like these exposed iron beams on the ceilings. While in some rooms, like in the kitchen that I will show you, we have exposed wooden beams, which are also charming. The room is large and it's divided on this section with a sitting area and a working wood-burning fireplace, while on the other section we have a spacious dining table. As you can see, it's full of natural light. In fact, in this room we have several windows, 3 on this side and a large one on this other side, that let us enjoy all of this natural light, but as well go outside. As I was mentioning, the home has been really updated with all of the most advanced energy performing features. Externally, there is this much of insulation on the walls, and also the windows are very well performing. In fact, right now, outside it's about 30 degrees Celsius, and in here, with the air conditioning off, it is so cool and fresh, which is really incredible. As I mentioned, there is air conditioning pretty much in every space, and there are radiators for heating. By the way, in the other buildings, in the guest houses, there are heat pumps for heat and cold. Let's go from this living area to the kitchen on this side. Have a look at this cozy kitchen. As I mentioned, same terracotta floors, but over here we find some terracotta tiles and original wooden beams on the ceiling, which give additional charm. There is, by the way, the external access onto the pergola that we've seen earlier, so you can cook and eat outside very comfortably. This table in the middle is excellent for breakfast, for a coffee in the morning, or simply to make your pasta. On this side, we find a large kitchen on 2 sides. There is a sink over here, working space, fridge with refrigerator, and below you have additional storage with over here a dishwasher, storage for plates and pans, and on this other side you have a gas top on this side with extractor, with a tube that goes outside, and the oven right below. The kitchen is brand new and fully equipped, ready to be used. From the spacious living area, this part over here opens onto another sitting space. This area on this side can be used as a comfortable office. There is a library right below the stairs over here, additional shelves, and 2 comfortable couches over here. Then we pass through this other part. We find additional storage behind these doors. There is a service bathroom on this side, which is to be used by all of the ground floor spaces. And on my left, I would like to show you this room, which is currently both of the systems room and as well the laundry. As you can see, all of the systems are brand new and updated to the highest of standards. There is a sink, a laundry, and additional storage for luggages and general storage. This room, by the way, also has its independent access, so you can access it by the outside if you have staff. We're now on the first floor of the home. You have some wooden steps that take you up, and now we are in the central landing. Also here we find traditional terracotta floors and nice and high ceilings with exposed wooden beams. As you can notice, there are 3 doors to the 3 bedrooms of the house. Let's start with the first one over here. By the way, also here we have a fireplace that you can turn on in the winter time. Let's start with the first bedroom. The first bedroom begins with this space on my left, which right now has been set up as a walk-in closet. However, there are all of the plumbing and all of the systems ready if you would like to install an ensuite bathroom. It's up to you. Then on this way, we get to the actual bedroom, which is very cozy, full of natural light with 2 windows on both sides. I love the slanted ceiling with the beam at the center. There is a wardrobe on this side, radiators for heating, and a brand new air conditioning, ideal for the summer. Here we have the second bedroom. This is the one in the middle, which is as well very unique with these high ceilings and these huge exposed beams. They have installed this half wall over here to lean against the bed and create this bedroom. The bathroom here is made up of 2 parts. There is the toilet on a separate door by the entrance, and on this side we have the sink and the shower. Then we have these 2 windows. This is a full window with a French style detail, so it also feels like a balcony. All the windows have their own mosquito nets, and each room has its brand new air conditioning. The primary bedroom is made up of 3 rooms. We have, as you walk in, this space over here, which makes it like a suite, because it can be either a sitting area to read a book, or you can set up a table here and make it like an office, or as well it can be a comfortable walk-in closet. You have a nice and high ceilings, also here with exposed beams. Through this opening you get to the ensuite bathroom of the primary bedroom, which has terracotta floors just like the rest of this floor, a nice and spacious shower, sink and toilet. Then let's see the bedroom. This is probably the largest bedroom out of the 3. Nice and spacious with tall ceilings with the beams. The bed is at the center, and with 2 windows on 2 opposite sides, we have lots of natural light. Through this window you get the most amazing view. Let me show you. And here we are at the end of today's property tour. I hope you enjoyed this villa. I think it really ticks many boxes. It is immaculately restored and ideal for someone that is looking for a turnkey property. It is furnished with all of the latest amenities and the highest energy efficiency levels. The property is just 10 minutes to the charming hilltop town of Todi, which is among the most beautiful in central Italy, and just 35 minutes to Perugia with its airport. Please let us know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and if you would like to see it in person, get in touch with us. Please also remember to subscribe to the Romolini channel for the best homes of Italy every week. Until next time, ciao!